Hey guys, if you've liked this video at the end, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, like and share. Enjoy! Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to go from this space to this space. Now before we start, now there's a couple of options. We could go off here to the right and go off to the left and point yourself towards the space here, but sometimes we're not given that luxury of space. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go off to the left and we're going to point the back of our trailer in the general direction of the space we're going into. So as you can see right around here, once I'm pointing towards the space, now I'm going to start straightening up. Obviously I'm not pointing towards it anymore. That's a good thing. You never want to be pointing towards your space unless you've got a dead straight back. Alright, you want to be pointing past it. So right now my favorite back is the straight back, so I'm going to have a nice easy back just until my axles get to around here. So just to clarify, this is the space I'm going into, this would be the space next to it, this would be two spaces away. So basically once the axles get to here is when I'm starting to turn. Now that all depends on how far away you are here, and if there was a trailer here. As you can see, I'm taking advantage of the fact there is no trailer here and I have a little gap here. But anyway, let's keep going. Okay, so I'm just doing nice little maneuvering. Now let's look at, right now I have a tendency of when I'm watching this is focusing on the drone footage, but we need to be paying attention here to this. I'm going to reverse here for a second until it gets back to the, so this is where I'm sticking my head out the window. I'm looking at this line. Alright, just nice in guiding it. So right now I'm chasing it a little bit, and when it gets to here I'm definitely going to be chasing it, because if I keep going I'll be jackknifing into this trailer. So now a hard chase. Alright, now of course we're going to be sticking our head back into the cab again, because we're looking in this mirror over here to the left. Now, so I stop, now I need to pull forward. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pull forward to the left, alright, because I want to get my back end pointing more towards the center of the space. So I'm going off to the left, now I straighten myself up, and now I'm going to do my favorite back, which is the straight back. So now, so the straight back is bringing it over, and then at the very end, now remember now, right, to bring the front of the trailer to the right, we turn to the right. So see, turn to the right, and of course now I chase it back to the left, and we're in. That's it for today. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. Talk to you again next time. Goodbye. So I do have more videos like that if you want to click on any of these links. Thanks.